So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do in Claude is you can go ahead and generate out Excel sheets as well with formulas. Let's say I want to go ahead and create out a result sheet for a student that automatically calculates out grades. So I'm simply going to go around and say create an Excel sheet for one student for which I can enter marks for 6 subjects, and based on it it will calculate the result, show the final grade, and give student specific feedback. So I can simply go ahead and say like create an Excel sheet right here. So once I go ahead and then hit send right here, you can see that it creates an Excel sheet. So it's reading the Excel sheet skill right here, as you can see, and then it'll go ahead and create out the student marks Excel sheet right here by using the code. So you just need to go ahead and wait right here. So just wait for a while. So I'm just going to go ahead and skip to the part when this actually completes. And now you can see that it has completed generating right here, and it's giving me the information of the file right here, and you got the student report card Excel file. If I were to click right here, then I can actually go ahead and see the preview right here. So you can see that I can enter out student name. I can go ahead and add in subject-wise marks right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and download this out right here. And as I download it, I can go ahead and open it up in Excel right here. And I can go ahead and enable editing. So now I can go ahead and add in details. So let's just go ahead and add in, let's say, for example, Pratik Pradhan right here, roll number. So let's just add this in right here. And then I'm going to go around and say Praleen Pradhan right here, just like this, as the teacher. So I'm just going to go around and say 10A. So academic year and exam date 26 Jan, let's say, for example. And over here in marks obtained, I'm going to say 76. And then you can see the percentage right here, just like this. And then you can actually see the grades, overall grade. And you can see the detail right here, like you can see the aggregate total. You can see the overall grade. You can see the scale difference as well. And you can even go ahead and see the final grade right here. So now one of the subject is fail. So it says fail. So let's just see for say 43. And you can see it says pass right here. And then you can see that I have all of these right here. So I can go around over here and say 80, let's say, for example, right here. Some of the values, there are errors, but you can go ahead and get Claude to correct it as well. You can say simply correct this, I'm not getting this. Then you will actually get that right there. You can actually see like this is what you have right here, just like this. Let me just go ahead and remove it out right here. You can go ahead and correct it as you want. And then this is basically what you get. So that is basically how you can go ahead and generate out an Excel sheet which actually works right here inside of Claude easily. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.